What is OEE? Every manufacturer measures output, but output alone doesn't show where performance is being lost. OEE gives leaders a clearer view. Overall equipment effectiveness combines 3 questions. Was the asset available, running at speed, and producing quality output? Availability shows how much planned production time was actually running. Performance shows whether equipment ran at the expected rate. Quality shows how much output met the required standard without rework or scrap. Together, these measures turn operational complexity into a business conversation. For CXO and VP-level teams, OEE is not just a plant metric. It helps connect downtime, throughput, quality loss, cost control, and risk across sites. Embedded AI can help surface patterns, context, and performance signals directly inside maintenance workflows. Agentic AI can go further, taking defined actions within approved workflows and controls. That might mean drafting next steps, routing work, or prompting follow-up. The point is not unchecked autonomy. It is practical intelligence that supports human expertise. OEE still depends on reliable asset data, consistent processes, and timely action. That is where Ultimo can help. Ultimo supports intelligent asset management by connecting assets, people, workflows, embedded AI, and agentic AI capabilities. So teams can move from reporting losses to understanding where action is needed. Ready to turn OEE into a clearer performance conversation? Explore how Ultimo supports intelligent asset management. Go to ultimo.com to learn more.